in today's content, we're gonna go, very shortly for a live stream. If you're watching, please let me know if you can hear what I'm saying. That's my first time, going live, because this Bitcoin, breakout is pretty interesting, right? If you've been following me since the first week of February, I said like BTC gonna come back down just about this area, get a slight pullback, and another move to the upside, right? So, and then if you've been following my my altcoin daily update, I said that once BTC get to this area, BTC, all the alt gonna make a 5x 6x type of moves, right? So the current price of BTC on Binance is almost like 47.50, right? People are underestimating the power of BTC. All of a sudden, everybody gonna call it a big pump, right? They're gonna say the pump came. So, but I don't think it's a pump. It is a pretty significant move. A nice inverted head and shoulder. RSI is playing out beautiful, right? RSI is almost like 85, right? But we're gonna get some correction, but we're just gonna have to enjoy this. We're just gonna have to enjoy this. This profit. That's the first time since like let's see. I think like BTC, at least the last the past 2 years. You're never gonna underestimate like a BTC. So, and calling for like a 2500 BTC when BTC is pretty bullish, and so basically what we got right now for BTC on the daily time frame, price is like almost 4800. We're most likely gonna break 4850, which was my previous target. Like, so it's hard to get any target at this time for BTC. Basically just gonna have to wait till the daily candle closes, until the daily candle closes, so we can restructure the chart and see where we're going next, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the lower time frame. Lower time frame. The lower time frame is beautiful, man. Like, it is extremely beautiful. Some people are were talking about like the weekly RSI was like overextended. I mean, stochastic RSI was overextended. I never use the stochastic RSI because it can mislead you. You gotta be a great trader, a perfect a perfect trader to be using like a stochastic RSI, because it's 9 out of 10 is gonna mislead you. Because if you don't understand like how to read the stochastic, it's gonna tell you it's either like overbought, or extremely oversold, when it is actually not. So the current RSI on the 4-hour time frame is 97, right? So it is 95, almost like 94, right? So it is pretty overextended. But sometimes when BTC wants to be bullish, it's nothing you can do, man. It's nothing you can do. You just have to let everything just not to do anything, basically. Just watch the price do the work. And then 48.24, the current price of BTC, is pretty interesting. It is pretty enjoyable. Altcoin, gonna enjoy this Bitcoin move to the upside, almost 5,000. I said it, like, we're gonna have a beautiful spring, a nasty summer. I still think like we're gonna get a nasty summer, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the lower time frame. It's hard to do any TA when price action is very aggressive. So anything you say most likely gonna be wrong. So you're just gonna wanna wait till the daily candle is is over. So before you make any type of prediction. It is pretty beautiful, man. Nothing to say about BTC at this time. 45 minutes looking pretty great. 96. It's gonna come back down, man. It's gonna come back down. It's not gonna go up forever. It's gonna, we're gonna get a pullback. Current price of BTC is 48.50 almost on Binance. 48.20. It is moving like almost $20 per 5 minutes. So it's pretty excited, man. So let's go ahead and take a look at the some altcoin, right? Let's take a look at NEO. Like I said on my previous BTC update, when you see how altcoin are dumping, right? So it is pretty important to pay clear attention to what's going on. Don't always trade versus, you know, the dollar, because once you trade versus the dollar, you know, it is gonna kill you, right? Like you know, but all these altcoins, they up on the USD pairing. NEO still up versus the dollar. It's just like it's severely overextended. I mean, on the overextended on the downside, right? So basically what you're getting, I'm not gonna sell any of my NEOs, right? So because I know my dollar value is still like increasing. So you got NEO going down and BTC, right, is going up, right? BTC is going up. So once BTC making a bull flag, right, NEO gonna go back up, right? So the only thing you're hoping, like, the price of BTC doesn't drop too bad. So NEO gonna go up, BTC gonna maintain its price, right? So NEO still got its USD dollars. Right now it's just going up versus BTC. BTC, you know, basically gonna be moving sideways. Bitcoin, I mean, NEO gonna be going up. So if you understand this analogy, you know, like, why it is good to be pairing, you know, be trading and accumulating versus BTC, right? So, and then you always want like BTC to be going up, because once BTC make a flag, you know, a small 5 to not even 5, like 2 to 3% flag, you know, and then NEO is making like a big move versus BTC, you know, it's gonna go crazy, right? The current price of NEO is almost like, let's see, let me check it. The current price of NEO is like 1060, right? Almost like $11. So if BTC like maintain 4800, NEO most likely gonna get back like to like 250 to 260,000 sats. That's almost another like a, you know, 30% move, right? Versus BTC. So if BTC maintain its current value of 46 to 47, you can expect like NEO to like get to like $14 to $15. So it is pretty interesting. So let's see. Let's see. I just made an update about Tron. When Tron broke like that previous, you know, flag just about like a 621. I made a video. I said like Tron gonna pull back, right? And then Tron just pulled back right before the you know, BTC breakout, right? So it is pretty interesting. So that's about it for today. I'm just gonna, you know, give you guys an update as much the daily candle closes tomorrow 8 p.m. Eastern time, right? So enjoy the profit. Thank you for watching.